Currently, it's a terrible situation for me. IGL given me a bill of 21,700 rupees, for 2 months. However, most of the time we receive from last 8 years as I'm staying this house, and I have been receiving a bill amount every 2 months. It is around sometimes 800, sometimes 1000, sometimes 500, sometimes 1200, not more than that so far. But last month when I was traveling from West Bengal to Noida, and I reached here June 30th. After that, I checked my application of IGL, and IGL given me a bill of 21,700 rupees. You know what happened with me? Let me tell you this whole story. So in last month before my travel, one of the IGL executive came at my house in Gaur City to Noida, and that person took a snap of my meter reading, and he submitted a very wrong details of that meter reading. He basically tempered it, and due to that I received this wrong billing from IGL. And what is the last date for submitting this bill amount 21,700 rupees? That is 7th of July. Today is 6th July, and I'm making this video right now to share you all. Just be cautious. If that IGL executive coming within your house, just be with that person. I just left him alone over here. He tempered that information. And right now, let me just show you. Today is 6th July, and what is the meter reading currently? Come on, check this. This is 00767 meter reading. Today is 6th July. And right now, so on 5th July, yesterday Sunday it was, and I called one of the IGL executive. I mean, they're one of the customer support team. That person given me a ticket number that's I'm also attaching. Based on that information, he told me it will be taking another 10 days to regenerate. But according to my bill, which you have already seen, also I'm attaching that again. So let me tell you the story. That person, when he came in our house, that time he took a closing meter reading of 930 for the month of March, and for the month of April he took a meter reading of 1157. It was closing again, but it was totally wrong. You can see today is 6th of July and the current meter reading 767. Really, IGL, it's pathetic situation. How come your team member do this? Can't they see that if the temper, it will be re-verified, and then again that person can get sacked from that organization? They really, I just want this video to be circulated as much as possible so that our Indian government can see this, and those person who are tempering. I have seen many videos of this, that those person came to the house of a resident and they have given a wrong information to the billing department. So I want this video to be get circulated to each and everyone, whosoever faced or not faced. Just be cautious whenever that person's from IGL or any other gas organization or any other related billing thing comes at your home, which you consume, and they take a wrong information. I have seen many videos and in news media as well. I want this to be resolved as soon as possible. I'm also attaching the ticket number and my overall gas informations. IGL, just note, this should not be happen again in future.